I've been cooking, washing the dishes, doing laundry.
I have Adam there. He's going with us to Ikea. Yay! That's Kitten with your chair. Where's Kitten?
Thank you.
Thank you now.
Thank you. Oh, I got the wrong keys.
He said, where's my chair? Ready? Ready? Let's go. Wow. You have eggs? Are you gonna eat those eggs?
1, 2.
Yay! Good job.
I should
Wow, lion! You're so smart, lion. Done. Hey, thanks Adam for helping us. Thanks for helping out.
Welcome.
I'm out with the girls. We're gonna eat at... Where are we gonna eat? Texas Roadhouse. At Texas Roadhouse. I'm gonna buy lunch. Oh, yeah. I have cheesy for Chris. I want to give certificate.
You found me and we're floating off the ground. When I used to pass the hours, I was lost, but baby now.
So we're the free girls. The date that happens once in once in 7 years. At least it happened. It happened today. So there's a purpose why I don't have a job. So I can date Joan. We're off to Hot Pot.
We are the cats we like to eat.
So what's good here? Everything. The crab balls are our favorites. Crab balls?
Yeah.
Wow.
We are the cats we like to eat.
So first you wanna have some peanuts.
Okay.
Then coriander.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a mix for you. But
Okay.
I'm actually copying Kitten. Spring onion, very good. We'll go for garlic, yummy. Sesame sauce. And of course we'll make it spicy. Touch of oyster sauce. With bean curd. And of course chili oil. That's your sauce.
That's my sauce.
Okay, let's go.
We are the cats we like to eat. We are the cats we like to play.
So these are the clothes that we're gonna sell. Prices are going to be 10, 20, 30.
40. Actually, for my clothes, 40. Because I rarely use them. Pero tomorrow, okay, 5 dirhams.
We're kind of late. We said we'll be here early. Everybody's there already, all set up, and I don't know if we still have table for our stuff. Hopefully, because we paid for it. Where is Jay? He parked very far. Actually, what I realized is that they like rummaging here. They don't like clothes on the rack. They like the ones that's like messy. Okay, we're almost done. We almost sold everything. A couple more hours and we're out of here. We were here late, but I think we got what we came for. We're done. We're able to sell everything, almost everything. So we're happy.
In the car, you
I
want beach, I want Nina J.
Jay.
Our hearts forever glowing. There's something in your motion. I never saw the view. I swear to fly with you. You're like a new creation. Now there's no hesitation. There's nothing I can do. I swear to fly with you.
Madam, say bye, see ya.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say ciao.